Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to find MetaMask wallet address. So this is a very simple and direct tutorial. So when you open up your MetaMask, as you can see, depending on the network you're in, for this case, I'm in Ethereum main network. So my wallet address is over here. As you can see, it says account 1, then the address is over here. If you want, you can click and copy this address. If you want, you can click on these three dots over here and you'll be having more options. You can edit your account number. You can even view the Etherscan. Okay, so over here is the wallet address, and that's how simple it is. If you want to find another wallet address for another network, click on this drop down arrow. Now for this case, let's go to the BNB Smart Chain network and we shall see its wallet address. As you can see, this is also the wallet address of the BNB Smart Chain network. You can also come and copy it by clicking on those, then click on the three dots over here. Besides it, when you click on the three dots, you can see other options. You can edit the address, edit the account name, and even see or view on the BNB Smart Chain scan. And that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.